Hello guys. Alam mo, I check my pension info sa Denmark. Alam mo guys, pinata-transfer ko to sa isang account sa Pilipinas para makabayad ako ng pension ko pag umuwi ako. Dahil I need that because I'm moving away to this country. Ay, alam mo ba guys, bingi sila, tingnan mo ha. Pagmasdan nyo itong maigi, okay? Ayan ito yung aking kapag nag 70 years old ako. Kapag 69, kasi nagsisimula sa 69 guys. Ayan ang makukuha ko. Ayan. Pero plus mga pa yan guys, plus babayaran ka ng yan yung pinakabuo. Yun yung pinakabuo. Yun yung halaga na yun. Tapos ang pinaka niyan ay mayroon pa siyang i-divide diyan na sa loob ng 1 year na monthly mo na makukuha sa pension. Pero alam mo guys, yung pinaka binubuisit hina-high blood ko ay yung sarili kong pension na gusto kong i-forward doon habang hindi pa dumarating sa Antibibyan, makita ko na nandoon na ang pera at makakilos naman ako sa aking sariling plano sa buhay, lalo na pagdating sa pension ko guys. Ang ginagawa nga nila guys ay nagbibingi-bingihan sila dito. Kasi guys, napakasimple ito. Send of losing. Ayan, isi-send mo yan. Tapos ay, titignan mo, mayroon kang din outel, okay? Titignan natin guys, kasi ayan, tignan mo yan guys. Ayan nga yung pension ko guys. ETP, hindi ko alam kung bakit, of girls, hindi ko alam, parang last year kasi parang may nangyari. Kasi normally, ito mayroon tong laman last year. Tapos, ang pinagkakagulat ko dyan ay may nawala na. Tapos, ito guys ito dapat, ito lang pipindutin mo. And then, I send email already the complete account number where they can send my pension. But honest is, hindi ko alam kung bingi ba ang tao dito or nagbibingi-bingihan o nagbubulag-bulagan. Pero sa totoo lang guys, bibingihin ko sila hanggat hindi ko nare-receive or hindi nare-receive ng pamangkin ko bago dumating. Bago dumating guys sa Antibibyan, dahil kapag nandito sa Antibibyan guys, yes, I will go to Kumon and make an appointment that they need to forward all my pension to that account that I give it to her, because I send email already that I want that all of my pension, they will send it back to that account that I will use it, that account guys is one of the, one of the person that I trust, and I know that she know about the insurance, pension, that she can help me. But this time guys, if they didn't do something, I will go together with Auntie Bibian, going there to the Kumon and make something, because they are debt to do something. If it's about me, this kind of pension guys is, I work hard for this kind of pension since 2005 until 2023 until now. I think I don't know if Palmgren have a private pension that they will take and send it to the pension info, but I don't care about these years, that I know that it's a little kind of amount of salary only. And this years guys that I save, honest is I pay it from my own salary, and I don't want to to ignore what they are doing, because they are din out till bibenta ba. I need to wait because it's an appointment already. Din out till, my appointment that, I want to forward this. But, I will give them time to send, because I know that, I don't know, it's not take times, but I hope that they don't need to expect that I will call them, because, I wrote a letters that all of the information is there where I moved, and, all the information that it's about my it's about one of the person that already send my pension. Yun lang guys, update ko lang sa pension ko, kasi I hope na bago dumating sa Auntie Bibian ay masend na nila, kasi kung hindi, pupunta ako sa Kumon, magpapasama ako kay Auntie Bibian, at yun nga ang gagawin ko. Kasi normally naman talaga, before your pension, bago ka pension guys, or bago ang year ng pension mo is, you need to go to the city hall and ask help so they can assist you. But normally you can do that online too. But honest is, I do online, then wrote that letters, and then etc. all the, you know, bank information, name of that person that they will send. It's there already, and you know, I cannot log in that I don't know if they allow the person to log in to my, you know, pension info, but normally you can log in only because that is your own personal information, or yeah, you can use especially your telephone number. At yun nga guys, wala na ako masyadong load to call them, and they need to do is transfer that, or else I will write again and again until that they can receive what I'm saying to them. Don't demand too much if I'm there in the Philippines, because I did my best now here, that they need to do that now here. Because it's happened to my visa that, you know, I'm waiting. I thought that, you know, my card is coming, but you know, there's nothing happen about my card, guys. It's disappear. The money is disappear, my form is disappear, and then oh, they don't have plan to turn it back, my payment. Wow, bravo. 4,820 times 7.7 in Philippine money is a big amount already. You can start a business already, guys. So you can survive for living. But you know what they are doing is, they have another kind of scam. How to scam me. And if it's about my pension, guys, they still holding my pension to make me irritating and give me more, you know, problems that I'm gonna be sad. But honest is, I will go to PAW and ask help if they didn't send this. Promise, guys, I will do something. I will do something that they will embarrass in public, that they cannot explain in a right way. Ayun lang, guys. Bye. Have a nice day sa inyong lahat. Pero yun, guys, ang nangyayari sa akin, ginagawa kong tanga dito, guys. Pero sa totoo lang, yung ginawa ko, tama lang. Ayun, gaya nga, appointment. So, hintayin natin, guys. Hintayin natin kung anong mangyayari. Dahil pag hindi, guys, ayun ang gagawin ko. PAW at Rapitulpo na ang gagawa ng aksyon para bingihin ang tenga nilang bingi. Dahil nasa law nila, bingi nga sila. Yun, guys. Kasi yung anak ko, bata pa lang, hindi bingi, ginagawa nilang bingi. Ayun. Yun lang, guys. Bye!